Hi guys, it's Steffanie. Welcome to Steffanie's Journey. For those of you here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a little bit of garden chores. My dirt is giving away because we are getting so much rain in my raised bed. So I'm going to have to figure out how to fix that. I think I'm going to go get some plywood and put it on the front of it to keep the dirt from getting out. Soil, dirt, same difference to me. It's dirt. To keep it from getting out because my beds are going empty. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute, so I gotta figure out what to do to get that fixed. I won't be fixing that on this video, but I'll show you that. And I'm gonna harvest my my garlic and some of my onions because they're not gonna grow now because there's no dirt. So let's go take a look at that. Okay, if you see right there, that's where it's giving out. And let me take you on the other side. Look, right here, big old holes in there. Big old holes there and there. And then all back here, all of that. The dirt's gone and it's trailing down a hill, washed away, trailing down a hill, washed away. So all of this needs to come out. So we're ready to harvest all of that and harvest these onions right here. Pull these onions first. This thing not gonna grow. I'm gonna put some more dirt back in here. Try. This bed is not as bad as the other beds. But it's not going to grow. It's not going to grow, unfortunately. And I have planted some more seeds right there. And I'm gonna come out and fertilize. Maybe we can get what's in there to grow a little bit more before they die. But I don't know. Right here. No, my okra plant is right there. That's gonna have to get moved. So I'm gonna move that okra. This is probably something that we don't want. It is probably that here, so we won't worry about that right now. Let's go over here and pull up these. So I already pulled two, which I was pulling, and then I was like, oh, let me show you guys. So I'm gonna pull the rest. Anyway, I can't see. The sun is so bright that I can't tell when I'm showing, when I'm not. Okay. I can see. Something about this. So where they at? I don't know. Oh, that's a big mess, by the way. They're small, very, very small. Very, very small. These are the ones that were transplanted throughout the garden there. From last year on this end. Very small. But you can eat them. These flowers. I'm going to transplant. If I can get them out of here. This one I thought was gonna be big. And it's not. Oh, they got a big ass one. Get out, get out, get out. Look at those, because I don't want to have no damn hissy fit. I don't do worms, y'all. I'm just scared of worms. I don't like them. I don't like what they look like. I don't like what they feel like. I don't like how they move around. Oh, gives me the damn creeps. Now, these are the ones I got from Emma Gardener. They are decent size. I don't know what the hell happened to the ones that were in the back. Oh, worms everywhere. I'm gonna figure out how to block that though. Nice house, huh? Let me get my order where it goes. I ain't digging. I don't dig. I ain't digging. That don't look like a artichoke. It's not. It looks like one. Come back and get all these flowers. We're gonna go plant them in the front yard. Like, these ain't big as nothing. Nothing. Look at that. Weird. That's a big one. Nope. It's felt big. But it's not. You would have thought it was big by the roots. I think I had planted some elephant or something last year. And I think some of these are it. Because they don't have the cloves. They just one big ball. So, yeah. Here's the bell. Now, all of these flowers. Okay, they're not like plugged in, but you know, all of these flowers, these we're going to take to the front yard. We got quite a bit of them going in clusters where they fell in here last year, so they're going to get transplanted. But for right now, that is all of the garlic except for, let's see what we got down here. I'm gonna check some of these onions and see if they need to be pulled by what they feel like. The rain has just demolished that stuff, all of it. I am going to get that cucumber right there, like right now. That's fine. Clippers. So, before I get, these are the square cucumbers, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna get that one. Very nice size one. I don't know if you can just eat cucumbers regular. We're gonna see. And that one I'm gonna leave for another couple of days. We got some more coming. Down the bottom and up the top. But the only one is one plant. I don't see any. Oh no, the other plant got some. So yeah, that's it for those. Let's go on down here and look at the other part. Alright. Let's go on here and get this. Some of this left in the ground. So we'll have to dig. That one. Not bad. Just trying not to get freaking spider webs in my head. Those outfits we got from that. Trying to miss some. That's it. The rest is this is eggplant and onion. We're gonna leave the onion. They seem to be doing okay. Yeah. Alright, that's all we got here. We're gonna hang it in the greenhouse with others. I think they probably have been in there 2 weeks. Maybe they probably done. Probably can just replace them, but I just put these on the other side so I know. So let's do that. Okay, this right here is what the other ones that's curing look like. So we're gonna take the other ones and we're gonna put them on that shelf right there at the top. Alright, that's what we got. The way down. With those, and then those will be ready by the weekend, next week, early next week. I'll bring them in the house. I might braid them up, might not, might just cut off everything, but yeah. Y'all see I'm sweating. Something horrible. But anyway, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.